Hello everybody, this is Dr. Andrew Schafer, chiropractor here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Technically we're in Kentwood. And today, this video, we're going to go over one of my basic core exercises, which is the side bridge. Not a side plank, and you'll see the difference. It's actually a little bit harder, in my humble opinion. Really good core exercise to challenge your core and breathing functionality in the side-to-side plane of motion. So what we're going to do, lay down on your side. You want to do this on a carpeted floor. Hardwood floor would be pretty harsh on your arm. So carpeted floor or a yoga mat. Lay on your side, prop yourself up on your bottom forearm and tuck in your heels towards your butt. So your knees are bent about 90 degrees. From there, lift your butt up and push it forward. I'm going to turn this table so you see what I'm doing here, because it's easy. I'm going to do the other side so I can see the camera. So, because it's easy to not realize how far back your butt is when you're doing this. So right now my butt's way behind my head. Right now it's not. So this is a much better position. And I'm going to go back to the other position here. And hold and take 3 breaths. Good. They don't have to be huge breaths, but I want them to be big enough so that you can hear them. And then come out of the position. For this one, we're going to alternate sides. So you would switch to the other side and do the exact same thing. Just to give it to you from a different angle here. So the knees are bent 90 degrees. That's the one thing most people get wrong, is that they want to start here or here. If you find yourself trying to use your feet to lift yourself up, bend your knees more, take your feet out of the equation, and just pivot from the knees. If the knees separate a little bit because of stiffness in the hips, don't worry about that, that's okay. If it's more comfortable to put a small pillow or a rolled up sweatshirt in between your knees, that's fine. If the separation doesn't bother you, don't worry about it. So again, prop yourself up on your forearm, bend the knees 90 degrees, lift your butt up into the air to take the 3 breaths. Awesome. So that one is called side bridge. Another really good core exercise. One progression we do have for you for this one is wrap an elastic band around your knees. I'll let you imagine that part because I don't have one at the moment. And then while you're holding and while you're breathing, do some hip abduction movements with the knee. Little bit, it ups the ante a little bit on working your core in that side-to-side plane. Particularly good for runners, as well as oftentimes the spine, what I call a postural scoliosis, tends to develop in people, and this tilts the pelvis. When that happens, the feet are not really set equidistant from your center of gravity, and that results in a lot of issues, even things like plantar fasciitis and other foot and knee and ankle problems I've seen from this postural scoliosis. So anyway, I'm getting a little bit off track here. But that one was side bridge. I hope you enjoyed the video.